Attorney General Paul Kihara now wants the petitions challenging the transfer of certain functions from the Nairobi County Government to the national government thrown out, arguing that the process was purely apolitical and not under court's jurisdiction. Through lawyer Emmanuel Bitta, the Attorney General says Nairobi County Governor Mike Sonko was within his powers and has the authority to transfer some of the functions to the national government, noting that there was no vacancy in the office of the governor. He further argues that the respondents complied with the process of transfer of function as provided in the Intergovernmental Relations Act. Principal Secretary, Ministry of Devolution, Charles Sunkuli, in his replying affidavit says the process was followed after consultations with the Nairobi County. Human rights activist Okiya Omtatah, lawyer Robbin Murimi and Katiba Institute have filed separate applications at the High Court in Nairobi challenging the move as unlawful and unconstitutional, terming it as invalid. Elsewhere, a Nakuru-based lawyer who is accused of plotting together with others to kill a Belgium national has denied murder charges. Justice Daniel Ogemba ordered John Gakinya to be held behind bars until Monday, when his bail application will be made. It is alleged that between 11 December 2018 and July 2019, jointly with others not before court within Kenya, killed Daisla Mirel Lesoipa, alias Leila, a Belgium national. Daisla's body is yet to be recovered since she went missing early last year. It is believed that she was murdered by people close to her so that they could inherit her vast wealth. Gakinya filed succession case in Nakuru where Lucy Waithera, a friend of Mirel who is also held in connection to her death, was a beneficiary in the fake will of the deceased. Naivasha-based Keroche Industries has vowed to head to the High Court to challenge two decisions by the Tax Appeal Tribunal regarding the 9 billion shillings tax demand by Kenya Revenue Authority. Keroche Breweries claimed that it had been directed to first solve the matter with Kenya Revenue Authority at the Tax Appeals Tribunal and only resort to the courts if the matter is not solved amicably. And finally, the pre-trial of arms scandal facing former sports CS Rashid Echesa failed to kick off on Wednesday. This is after the defense claimed that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution had failed to submit the documents they would rely on to prosecute the case. Another application made by Echesa regarding his confiscated firearms and vehicles was not heard, as the same office had not filed its response to the request. Senior Principal Magistrate Kennedy Cheruyot ordered the DPP to supply the documents and file the responses, and the matter be heard on the 23rd of this month. Reporting for Scales of Justice, I'm Ben Troy Njoe.